the Engineering Access Program, supporting Indigenous engineers. Tonight is the graduation ceremony for ENGAP, the Engineering Access Program at the University of Manitoba. This is a support program for Indigenous students who want to pursue an engineering degree.
ENGAP is a program in which I believe that empowers our Indigenous students to get what is seemingly the impossible, an engineering degree.
It was a great help. We had our own study space and there's people there always encouraging us.
I really believe in it. I'm here 9-10 hours a day, and it's nice to have another home away from home when you're in university.
Almost like an oasis within the Faculty of Engineering, within the university environment as a whole.
Family and friends, teachers, mentors, and community partners like Manitoba Aerospace have gathered together to celebrate the occasion.
Aerospace is always looking for the best and the brightest students, and the ENGAP program really helps them prepare for being successful.
It's a happy event for everyone, especially for Randy Herman, the director of the ENGAP program.
All we're doing is sort of helping them getting over some of those initial obstacles they'll face. We give the students that hand up by offering upgrading courses in physics, math, chemistry, and computer programming. Courses they may not have had available in their communities. And as well, we also offer tutor supports to those students as they're going through the Faculty of Engineering.
YH is equal to C1.
Of course, we have a counselor on staff who helps the students deal with any sort of transitional issues that they may face. We have a lovely lounge up on the third floor here where the students can integrate and get to know each other as a smaller group, can get to know each other, can become friends and peers and help support each other.
It's nice to have a community of like-minded students like myself to support me and to kind of guide me through my studies.
Oh yeah, I love the ENGAP program. Everyone is just so helpful.
There's constant support available to you.
Recent graduates have been able to build off that support. Alicia Hill used her final capstone project in the program to find employment.
I am working at the Rehab Center for Children, and I got this job because I did my capstone project for them. My project was redesigning the wrist unit for the prosthetic arm.
Today, Randy Herman is taking a group of students into the hydraulics research and testing facility to inspire the next generation of Indigenous engineers with an experiment. The challenge? To see whose tinfoil canoe can hold the most marbles.
My utmost goal is that they will see that science, physics, chemistry, mathematics is inherent in their traditional culture. Well, the only future that I'm eventually going to be happy with is a future where there are as many Indigenous people in engineering as they are represented in the population at large. So I won't be happy, I won't rest easy until that occurs. We need more diversity. It can't always be the same people at the table speaking with the same voice. We need to have voices, different voices. We need to have female voices. We need to have voices of people of color. We need to have Indigenous voices at these tables. It brings, in some small way, the culture of the Indigenous people back into the Faculty of Engineering. I'm looking at the families that are coming together to honor the engineering graduates. I see change in people's lives. I can't tell you how many stories I've had where a student will come to me and say, I'm the first person in my family to go to university, to go into engineering, and how that changes the entire family. I just think that's the most powerful change agent of all.
Here are the companies that make up Manitoba Aerospace and some of the programs they support.